Please be seated. Pryn Horndow, a croeso e Gaerdydd. Good afternoon. Welcome to Cardiff and to your 2026 graduation. Laura Trevelyan Edwi, Canhethlo, Prifysgol Gaerdydd. My name is Laura Trevelyan and I have the great honour of being the Chancellor of Cardiff University. The first thing I want to say to our brilliant anhygoel, which is Welsh for incredible, class of 2026 is Llongyfarchiadau. Congratulations! You made it. I was a postgraduate student here back in 1990, and Cardiff University gave me a career as a journalist, a husband, lifelong friends and colleagues. I couldn't be more grateful for everything that Cardiff has given me, and I hope that Cardiff will underpin your lives in the same way that it has mine. Today we're celebrating the achievements of students in two of our schools, Geography and Planning and Social Sciences. Those in our School of Geography and Planning are equipped to shape the futures of our cities and our regions. Students in Social Sciences understand the complicated relationship between individuals, society, and social inequalities. In a global landscape that's rapidly changing, all of you have the potential to bring about social change. Your Cardiff qualification is telling the world that you're ambitious, passionate, and you have a brilliant mind. Please embark on the next stage of your journey with all of the confidence that that should bring you. And thank you too for everything that you have brought to your school and to your university. We're very proud of you. Right now, though, you're in a liminal state. Once you cross this stage, you'll be graduates. Cardiff University will always be your university, and we want you to be ambassadors for Cardiff and to come back often and tell us how you're doing. More on that from me when you graduate. Friends and family, thank you for being here today. I know it's a big day for you too. Please make as much noise as you would like when your loved one crosses this stage. You won't be able to bring down the roof, I promise you. For now, though, all of you sit back, enjoy the ceremony, and cherish this moment. It's special. This is never going to happen again. All of you have formed a cymuned, a community, when you've been here at Cardiff, whether you've been out there on the dance floor at YOLO or swatting in the library. Now you're going out into the world as Cardiff graduates. Da iawn. Well done to you all. Mae'n bleser gennyf gyflwyno Cynwyl ap Mervyn. I now have the pleasure of introducing Cynwyl ap Mervyn. Cynwyl will read the proclamation and a poem by Wales's inaugural national poet, Gwyneth Lewis. Gwyneth has been writer-in-residence at the University School of Physics and Astronomy and is now an honorary fellow. The poem Education was specially commissioned by Cardiff University. I give you Cynwyl.
Addysg, Education gan Gwyneth Lewis. Beiddiafeiddio gwella dy wneud, myna geisio parcha ddweud. Traws newidiad fydd dy glod, dy ddyfodol mentro bod. Learning's a passport that returns you home a better person. It permits you to dare being daring. Makes you secure with not knowing everything. Helps you welcome some failure. Forges an alloy with others' thinking. It is a simple delight in mind and its emotions. Scintillate, but isn't deceptive. Admits the joy of institutes. It is the open road to everywhere but bigotry. It's the shortened distance between you and me, and if you're lucky, it never ends. Mi fyddai nawr yn darllen y datganiad, yn gyntaf yn y Gymraeg ac yna'n Saesneg. I will now read the proclamation, first in Welsh and then in English. Nerth gwlad ei gwybodau. Bydded wybod I holl aelodau'r Brifysgol ac ar draws y byd bod cynulliad Prifysgol Caerdydd yn cael ei gynnal heddiw ym mhrifddinas Cymru. O dan awdurdod Siarter Frenhinol y Brifysgol, mae'r cynulliad hwn yn cyfarfod I dderbyn y myfyrwyr hynny sydd wedi yn rhynwedd eu hastudiaethau a'i hysgol heictod wedi'w harchwilio'n briodol yn ôl statudau'r Brifysgol ac wedi'w cael yn deilwng o'i graddau. Dathlwn lwyddiant y rhai sy'n graddio yn y cynulliad hwn, ac wrth wneud hynny, fe'i hatgoffwn o'i cyfrifoldeb I rannu gwerthoedd y Brifysgol hon. Hwy sydd I geisio trwy ei cyflawniadau wasanaethu lles pawb, ymdrechu am yr agoriaeth ym mhob peth, ac ofalu am ddyfodol ein byd. Parchwch ddoethineb, gan ei fod yn cynnig gobaith ac wirionedd ym mhob cenhedlaeth. A nation's strength is in its learning. Let it be known to all members of the university and throughout the world that today, in the capital city of Wales, a congregation of Cardiff University is taking place. Under the authority of the university's Royal Charter, this congregation meets to receive those students who, by virtue of their studies and scholarship, have been appropriately examined according to the statutes of the university and found worthy of their degrees. We celebrate the success of those who graduate in this congregation, and in doing so, remind them of their responsibility to share in the values of this university. It is for them to seek, through their achievement, to serve the common good, to strive for excellence on all things, and care for the future of our world. Be attentive to wisdom, for it offers hope and truth in every generation. Llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn I chi, Raddedigion 2026. Diolch.
Hello, Shmai. I'm Hanan, your Vice President International Students at Cardiff Students Union this past year. Congratulations! It is a privilege to be standing here today, celebrating not only your academic achievements, but also the incredible community you have built along the way. Whether you found your place through a job, a club, or a society, or your course, these are the friendships that will stay with you for years to come. We know it hasn't been easy to get here. Each of you has faced challenges and overcome obstacles to reach this moment, but you made it, and that is something to be truly proud of. Today is about celebrating every individual journey that brought you here. As you look back on your time at Cardiff, I hope you do so with a strong sense of belonging and pride. For many of you, this was your first time moving away from home, whether from Pontypridd, Portsmouth, or even Peru. Wherever you came from, Cardiff has become a part of your story, and no matter where life takes you next, you will always have a home here. You're not leaving Cardiff with just a degree. You're leaving with life experiences, opportunities, and memories that will last a lifetime. Whether it was pulling all-nighters in the ASSL, late-night YOLOs, or quiet walks and coffee in Butte Park, you made it through. You may or may not know exactly what you're doing next, but as you step into the next chapter, carry with you the resilience you've developed and the memories you've cherished. Face the future with confidence, knowing that you're equipped to tackle whatever comes your way. For many of you, today marks the end of an era and the beginning of the next chapter of your life, and we wish you all the best. May your care ever be for the good name of our university and the well-being of our world. Congratulations, class of 2026.
Brynham Dal, good afternoon. Ethro Wendilana Dwi is going Hethlor Prifysgol Caerdydd. I'm Wendilana and I have the enormous privilege of being the Vice-Chancellor of Cardiff University. I'm delighted here today that my job is to warmly welcome all the students to receive their degrees. This is the part of the ceremony that you've been waiting for, where the students' names are read out by a senior member of the university. Please do celebrate. Celebrate the achievement of our students as they cross the stage by clapping, by cheering, perhaps even a little whooping. I heard you practice before. I know there's some whooping to be done out there. Once all the students for each award have crossed the stage and returned to their seats, they will be asked to stand. It is our tradition for me to speak in Welsh to receive each group of graduates to their awards. The Welsh phrase I will use when translated means, through the authority conferred upon me by the university, I receive you to your award with all the privileges this confers. Congratulations. Twy ardurdod a raddwyd y mi gen y brifysgol, dybaniach chi a gael eich dyfaniad a ho frentiai a thou inescal, clonga faciadai. I now introduce Professor Gillian Bristow, Head of the School of Geography and Planning, who will present the students for their awards.
I, Professor Gillian Bristow, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Science. Lauren Abbott. Aisha Farida Ahmad Nazari. Ferdinand Badu. Jack Bailey. Nell Beckett-Jones. Oliver Ben Ezra. David Bevan. Samuel Beavis. Jezreel Bayo. Siri Bodu. Carolina Miranda. Harrison Edward Boltwood. Joey Bowes. Caitlin Bradley. Freddie Luca Fiorio. Beatrix Ella Britnell. Emily Brosiner Allen. Esther Jane Browning. Luke Barry Buffery. Benjamin Butcher. Lewis Daniel Campion-Smith. Hannah Card. Emma Casinelli. Ethan James Chadwick. Caitlin Cara Chalcraft. Ella Chan. Isabel Lulu Chaplin. Connor Charles. Chloe Chater. Nusrat Jahan Chowdhury. Natalie Faith Cook. Richard Anthony Robert Cook. Hannah Crow. Jaskaran Singh Dillon. Finley Doris. Finley Doyle. Daisy Drexler. Thomas Edward Driscoll. Megan Juliet Duffin. Rosie Dunn. Katie Ellery. David Howell Evans. Hugo Evans. Noah Kieran Feely. Asiana Filetay. Poppy Fishbourne. Anna Kate Folland. Marcus Freeman. Isaac Gamage. Catherine Garner. Ben Garrett. Matthew Glastonbury. Charlie Green. Corey Green. Madeline Laura Griffin. Olivia Jasmine Griffiths. William Sean Grinstead. Emily Halpin. Ellie Harris. Fanula Evelyn Mary Harris. Zoe Harris. Isaac Harris Cook. William Thomas Herbert. George Hicks. Thomas George Lambert Hill. Lola Kate Hoffman. Amelia Hollings. James Anthony Andrew Holmes. Samuel Homer. Abby Hewlett. Erin Hurley. Poppy Hudson. Nadia Ishmael. Ned James. Max Johnson. Abby Jones. Yolo Priest Jones. Matthew Yulka. Theo Kenny. Harpreet Keller. Anna King. Megan Kinsella. George Kirby. George Nee. Tegan Knox Clark. Martinus Kovetskis. Amelia Law. Hannah Lawson. Boy Yu Lee. Yestin Lewis. Thomas Lloyd. Megan Locke. Bastien Loiseau. Joe Robert John Lovell. Nia McLennan. Joshua McMahon. Harry McMullen. Millie Mazod Mayle. Alice Marriott. Ben Mayo. Joseph Lawrence MacDonald. Fraser Jack Davis McMeekin. Vincent McCracky. Togzan Mirza Galieva. Amelia May Mocock. Oliver Monk. Bradley Jude Morris. Georgina Rosa Nee. Georgina Fionn Nesbitt. Brian Nye. Thomas Nicholas. Benjamin Northcott. Grace Peckmore. William James Perrett. Lexi Peterson. Holly Pickering. Jasmine Amelia Prince. Ben Pullich. Freddie Ralph. Molly Ann Rawlinson. Alfred Reeder. Joshua Reed. Emily Rich. Yestin Richards. Bethany Louise Roberts. Ciara Madeline Noon Robinson. Amelia Iris Rogers. Grace Joanne Savica. Alexander Sharman. Joe Shufflebotham. Patrick Slevin. William James Smart. Lucia Sparks. Harry Sproul. Oliver Squires. William Lawson Squires. Antonia Standen. Jacob George Stephen. Daniel James Sullivan. Jack Sullivan. Chung Hei Si. Rebecca Thomas. Eliza Thomas Hegarty. Solomon Michael Tong. Ellen Tranter. Miles Xavier Turnell. James Turner. Afsana Ullah. Joey Uren. Toby Ursel. Grace Usher. Charlie William Vincent. Ollie Vincent. Matthew James Wagstaff. Zoe Amelia Waller. Lily Sue Webber. Sam Webster. Evan Wetheridge. Gareth Worley. Isabella Wiles. Jack Williams. Isla Ellis Wilson. Poppy Winnicott. Chloe Wong. Shamgagi Sun Wong. Vanessa Shui Wong. Rosa Wood.
I, Professor Luke Sloan, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor and Economic Studies. Lewis David Bull. Emily Burdett. Dervla Clark. Amy Darnsey. Ruby Ann Adjua Hammond. Maisie Hickson. Amelia Huskisson. Daisy Manners Lolly. Imogen Grace Mitchell. Amelia Eve Perrin. Martha Reed Foster. Isabel May Richardson. J. Roland Harrison. Sarika Solomon. Amora Lucy Strangemore Jones. Alex Walker. Thea Emma Clancy Walsh. I, Professor Luke Sloan, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Science. Georgia Abiona. Riley Adams. Evie May Addison Evans. Jemima Owusu Agbo. Farida Akhtar. Yasmin Al-Ajmi. Tasnim Alam. Bashir Mohammed Alwati. Jessica Allen. Camilla Archery. Labiba Atkia. Ka Ying Oh Yung. Emily Anna Baker. Murphy Aylott. Emily May Backhouse. Hannah Backhouse. Olivia Bailey. Boo Baker. Dulcima Ball. Madeline Ball. Alice Barnacle. Libby Barstow. Zach Bartlett. Ninjin Batsengal. Amina Begum. Shazia Begum Tarin. Rebecca Alice Bell. Grace Bennett. Emma Berry. Amy Rose Betts. Lucy Blatchford. Sienna Megan Black. Evan Blockley. Rowan Boyton. Callum Rees Boyland. Rowan James Alexander Brennan. Caris Brown. Eleanor Michelle Olivia Brown. Emily Brown. Isabel Bryant. Gethin Michael Bryan. Darcy Marnie Jean Burgoyne. Tobias Burnside. Ella Burrows. Lucy Butcher. Loan Callahan. Jamie Canning. Hannah Megan Carrick. Emma Olivia Carter. Mali Ann Katanak. Madison Lee Chapman. Suki Chipchase. Hyunsu Cho. Khadija Mohammed Cole. James Collins. Tilly Lola Conway. Alexandra Peter Cook. Gracie Cook Welling. Thomas Christopher Cope. Astra Grace Cornforth. Corin Jessica Cox. Daisy Brooke Creed. Katie Cronin. Erin Cullins. Summer Darwent. Emma Davis. Catherine Davis. Mia Leone Davis. Esther Jane Davis. Ruby Davis. Stephanie Grace Dawkins. Emmett Dawson Smith. Anna Della Rosa. Alexandra Dennis. Ria Josephine Dixon. Brooke Dixon. Angela Dolan. Isabella Sophia Fleming Downey. Flora Drever. Sonia Duggan. Keris Megan Dunn. Eden Dyer. Eleanor Eads. Becca Wynne Edwards. Ellie Mai Edwards. Madeline Edwards. Amy Jessica Rachel Elms. Ajaya Joanne Emmett. Grace Omusalawa Fadahunsi. Ellie Fennell. Luana Ferreira Rodriguez. Lillian Ferris. Rafe Fisher. Emily Jane Forrest. Harriet Louise Foster. Ellie Fox. Catherine Gabriel. Eyre Galton. Sian Gaynor Smith. Imogen Gibb. Scott Gibson. Katie Gleed. Leona Amanda Glover. Benjamin Godey. Cara Faye Goodchild. Mackenzie Tara Gower. William George Harry Graham. Francesca Grant Heaps. Isabel Lily Green. Madeline Green. Callum Patrick Griffin. Marie Guthrie. Reem Haji. Hannah Hall. Holly Hall. Lily Hanton. Jemima Harrison. Kira Hart. Emily Hayes Arter. Melissa Henderson. Olivia Grace Henriquez. Theo Richard Andrew Higgs. Maisie Louise Hill. Charlotte Hilton. Sophia Hindry. Madeline May Holmes. Billy Howell. Ebony Diana Hughes. Salma Ibrahim. Isra Issy. Amelia Jenkins Ward. Abigail Gilks. Tilly Rain Johnson. Emma Rose Jones. Fionn Elizabeth Emma Jones. Maggie Ann Jones. Nikki Jones. Ryuk Young Kim. Georgiana J. King. Sarah Kellstrom Page. Dina Lamarty. Rosina Margarita Lampsas Petrakopoulos. Liv Lane. Mia Angelina Last. Pascal Laudat. Sophie Ann Leonard. Dylan John Lewis Jimenez. Becca Maney. Molly Lloyd. Clover Logan. Tegan Loveridge. Yichen Liu. Megan Maberly. Cara MacArthur. Bella Angel May Main. Lauren Mainwaring. Luka Malikov. Nia Mallet. Helena Christine Annika Martinson. Emily Jane Mason. Rosie Mattox. Georgina Maynard. Connor Paul McCarthy. Freya McCree. Rosie McGurr. Jemima McGrigor. Sarah McGurk. Iona McIsaac. Marie McLeod. Caitlin Meredith. Sophie Lee Merrick. Ellen Moore. Jessica Grace Morgan. Jocelyn Faith Morgan. Lucy Moscrop. Fionn Moses. Libby Jane Mumford. Ashley Murray. Chelsea Narbert. Holly Newman. Sophie Ockwell. Rowan Olson. Joseph Osmond. Hui Chi Valerie Pang. Elizabeth Panton. Lucy Parfitt. Benjamin Parker. Lily Parks. Shannon Elizabeth Perkins. Poppy Pink. Janessa Brandy Lasharok Pinnock. Mia Pitsy. Florence Pova. Amela Prague. Ria Nicole Price. Radia Rahman. Hannah Rashwan. Daisy Summer Raybold. Casey May Rees. Anae Reynolds. Alara Mia Ridout. Annie Roberts. Amelia Louise Rochester. Eva Romano. Kira Ross. Ksenia Rayadnova. Isabel Daisy Grace Sadler. Tahura Saizdadeh. Jessica Sarah Sape. Melissa Samida Sanchez. Lucy Sandwell. Heidi Isabel Santry. Alvy Ellen Sawyer. Isabel Schlick. Elizabeth Scully. Lily Seeley. Amy Seward. Louisa Rose Seddon. Annie Sharp. Emily Shore. Hannah Shepherd. Isabel Alice Shirley. Megan Shockledge. Yakui Shu. Lily Slee. Josie Smart. Clyde Sarongon. Marcus Stansbury. Kieran Stapleton. Rachel Stevenson. Phoebe Strutt. Victoria Georgieva Taliva. Briachin Eve Taylor. Erin Grace Taylor. Olivia Theodorou. Sophie Thomasius. Georgia Thompson. Isabel Thorne. James Thorne. Daisy Grace Tilley. Poppy May Hughes Tyrrell. Eleanor Claire Esther Vey. Mia Walker. Ben Walsh. Yu Yang Wang. David Wasco. Benjamin Jules Warwick. Mia Weber. Kitty Therin Walsh. Harriet Whitworth. Jasper Wills. Martha Wild. Elizabeth Marion Wilkins. Harriet Victoria Wilkinson. Anya Williams. Charlotte Williams. Abby Wilmshurst. Ella Wilson. Grace Knitter Withers. Chloe Louise Woolley. Yu Yang Wu. Fan Tao Xiang. Sabia Zaman. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Will all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you are able to. Toi dodod a raddoed y mi gan y brifysgol. Dybannech chi y gael eich dyfaniad a holffrentiau y ddaw yn ysgol. Llong y ffaciadau. Please be seated.
I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the postgraduate diploma. Leif Hegarty. Jennifer Autumn Sapphire Sargason. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Arts. Dua Amin. Virginia Shannon. Rhiannon Evans. Alicia Gallienne-Coles. Shanice Geet. Chloe Carrick-George. Brittany Hall. Tracy Hardacre. Lauren Ella Hughes. Natasha Johnston-Lang. Ruby Jones. Sian Kelly. Paige Lorraine Lee. Stacey Jane Lloyd. Rachel Marnie. Edward Palmer. Kerry Scowen. Charlotte Stanford. Lydia Tabakovich. Kerry Thomas. Grace Anna Warmington. Catherine Werrett. Abby Williams. Laura Wilson. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Science. Anika Afrin. Hilal Salim Khamis Al-Alawi. Isra Hamoud Al-Hinai. Amtal Al-Adwani. Ria Allen. Daisy Allwood. Lamis Humaid Saleh Al-Muslimani. Yuka Akoi. Lauren Louise Arnold. Jerry Aaron Joseph. Catherine Atwood. Louise Marie Baker. Poppy Barlow. Lily Rose Barry. Matunga Odiaro Barwell. Lauren Bayliss-Dagg. Olivia Jane Bevan. Nia Bleathen. Alistair Brooks. Gwen Brown. Niamh Buzzy. Victoria Chen Butler. Thomas Rees Callard. Lauren Carroll. Luis Andres Castellon Morales. Erin Neve Colgan. William Rees Cook. Graybill Coomberg. Lauren Cottrell. Max Cruz. Rebecca Luisa de Silva Tushera. Ella Marley Davies. Anna Davis. Gregory Mohammed Dion Sinulinga. Georgia Kristen Donnelly. Timothy Edwards. Ewan Ellsworth. Indeg Evans. Jenna Rachel Evans. Thomas Robert Farnell. Rosemary Florence Jean Farr. Fatin Fateh. Hal Hunt. Chloe Gardiner. Dana Gavrilovate. Benjamin Geenson Brown. Cass Gibson. Laura Goldine Doney. Tessa Grafdijk. Sorry. Muta Maliga Gopal. Thank you. Now Tessa Grafdijk, sorry. Rachel Green. Johan Thomas Griffith. Ella Beatrice Griffiths. Fatma Gruth. Nasri Al-Guled. Jack Richard Hannigan. Darcy May Hasty. Sikandar Hemad. Gabriel Franklin Oviedo Heseon. Eleanor Lucy Hall. Olivia Eve Hitchcock. Olivia Daisy Coakley Honeychurch. Kieran Horspool. Sophie Hunnam. Farouk Ibrahim. Amy Jones. Andrew Jones. Lucy Kerr. Alice King. Marla Kolskinova. Kwok Si Ki. Abigail Llewellyn. Alexandra Lucas. Yu Sing Lua. Sireya Mujumdar. Antoinette Louise McCarney. Harriet Keridwen Martin-Jones. Faith Nabule Masiko. Neve McHugh. Anna Milner. Sabrine Mohammed. Victoria Monet. Holly King Morris. Suraya Mughal. Judith Murray. Naina Naigi. Ayatollah Iratunde Olapo. Victor Chijioke Okereke. Abu Abeda. Pamela Panicia. James Perry. Shanae Price. Taylor Pugh. Zishian Chin. Harriet Reed. Emily Roynan. Ali John Rosie. Enam Server. Ban Moon Seng Soom Lat. Mark Stevens. Katie Ann Hall Stokes. Anton Sulanov. Emily May Sunman. Ewan Taylor-Jones. Sujata Thapa. Andrea Thomas. Joshua David Thomas. Kaylee Underhill. Mario Vargas Brenes. Nidhi Vag. James Christopher Elliott Walker. Ling Yang Wang. Zora Wardak. Sanjaya Sandeep Wazakar. Lois Whedon. Ellen Wellard. Eve Westwood. Macy Marie Elizabeth White. Nia Williams. Christopher Williams. Molly Nia Williams. Cara Willis. Yumei Yan. Yu Ting Zhou. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Will all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you are able? Toi awdurdod a raddwyd i mi gan y brifysgol, dyfaniach chi a gael eich dyfaniad ar hôl ffrintiau a ddaw yn ysgael, llongyffaciadau. Please be seated.
The following students to be presented have achieved a doctoral degree, and in recognition of their achievements and research, they will be presented to the presiding officers who will doff in return. I, Professor Irfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Education. Dr. Zebedee Anna Friedman. Just slow down a bit now. Dr. Mitchell Jones. Dr. Kerry Joanne Morgans. Dr. Andrew James Santos. I, Professor Irfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Health Sciences. Dr. Paul William Rutherford. I, Irfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Social and Public Policy. Dr. Emma Chivers. Dr. Matthew Michael Thomas Collins. Dr. Andrew James Passenger. I, Professor Irfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Social Work. Dr. Sarah Farraher. I, Professor Irfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Amna. Dr. Maimouna Mohammed Rashid Al-Kabania. Dr. Zoe Bizetsky. Dr. Rajda Bushama. Dr. Mark Brain. Dr. Patrick Heinsdahl. Dr. Pablo Izquierda. Dr. Roland Fletcher. Dr. Kemba Hadaway Morgan. Dr. Rebecca Catherine Hilda Jones. Dr. Anna Cleila Manitopoulou. Dr. Noor Maizatul Akmal Muhammad Ranai. Dr. Shannon Murray. Dr. Emma Noble. Dr. Abby Jane Rao. Dr. Rich Saunders. Dr. Katie Spendith. Dr. Verena Stain. Dr. Mengjuan Wang. Dr. James Weldon. Dr. Charlotte Whittaker. Dr. Zhang Yu Qing Qing. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you are able to. To'r adyrod araddwyd i mi gan y brifysgol, dyfannech chi a gael eich dyfaniad a hoffrentiau a ddaw yn ysgol, llongyffaciadau. Please be seated.
Prynhawn da bawb, Angharad Neiler ydw i, Deion y Gymraeg ar gyfer Prifysgol Caerdydd. Llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn i bob un ohonoch chi sy'n graddio yn Raddedigion 2026 heddiw. Prynhawn da, good afternoon. I'm Angharad Neiler, Deion y Gymraeg, Dean of Welsh for Cardiff University. Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations to all of you graduating this afternoon. Mae'n fraint gen i gyflwyno Andrew Kelleher, un o'n cyn-fyfyrwyr ni yma yn y Brifysgol. I am pleased to introduce our alumni speaker, Andrew Kelleher. Andrew is a Cardiff graduate and has over 25 years' experience in global HR and talent consultancy. He is Executive Director for the UK and Ireland at LHH Recruitment Solutions, a leading global talent development and career solutions organisation. Andrew has built a distinguished career in recruitment and talent strategy, working across a wide range of sectors and leading professional services recruitment across the UK. Mae'n braf croesawu Andrew i'ch cyfarch a llongyfarchu y prynhawn yma. We are pleased to welcome Andrew today to share some words with you.
Good afternoon. 31 years ago, almost to the day, I sat where you are, excited to graduate and looking forward to the night ahead. And then, like now, thinking back on my time at Cardiff. I remember that very first night, trying to work out where I slept and bedding down in a photo booth at the train station. I remember that first year, sleeping on a mattress in a friend's hallway just to make it to lectures. No time to make plans. Just could I make it through the next 3 years? And I did make it. And I became the first in my family to get a degree. Thank you. Sitting where you are today felt amazing. But it also felt like the end of my adventure. I looked at my friends and thought, this was just the beginning for them. They had it all figured out. I remember sitting in Henry's bar, listening to their plans and thinking, why was it so clear for them and so different for me? And that's when I realized they had the same talent as I did. The difference was they just saw the opportunity and they hadn't ruled themselves out. So I started asking myself this one simple question. Why not me? Did I instantly figure it all out? And did everything just fall into place? No. Some of the best moments of my life came when I was still trying to figure it out. Like moving to London without a job, running out of money, returning home and being told that I'd failed, but not believing them. Working till I had enough saved to go back again. And when I did, it was taking that first random job in sales just to get a bit of experience. And it turned out to be the place where I'd fall in love and meet the person I'd marry. My wife, Tina, who, by the way, is sitting up there on the balcony. Give her a wave. It was about never forgetting that it can be me. Why not me? So if you remember one thing from my story, it's this. You don't need to have it all figured out. You don't need the perfect plan. But if you stop assuming opportunity belongs to someone else, then you can ask yourself this powerful question. Why can't it be you? And today feels like the perfect day to start asking. So congratulations to everyone who's graduating. Congratulations to all the parents, guardians, and loved ones who've supported you to become Cardiff University graduates. Thank you for listening, and enjoy the rest of this very, very special day.
Thank you, Andrew. That's brilliant advice. Why not me? And if you don't have the perfect plan, don't worry about it. Just keep asking, why not me? Llongyfarchiadau, dy hun ran o gymuned cyn fyfyrwyr Prifysgol Caerdydd. Congratulations, you are now part of the Cardiff University alumni community. Cardiff alumni do stand out. Some are high profile, others are quiet, more low-key, informed contributors to their communities. You will find your own path, whatever it is, but I know that you'll make a difference. Virginia Woolf is my favorite novelist, and she said it best. And I say this all the time to my children who roll their eyes, so you can too. No need to hurry, no need to sparkle, no need to be anybody but oneself. Because Cardiff has given you more than just a degree. You've been encouraged to ask questions and to challenge conventional wisdom. In this era of AI, which I'm sure you are fed up with hearing about, you have real intelligence, you have critical thinking, and that will stand you in good stead. The Welsh word hiraeth is made for moments like this. It conveys a sense of place, of love, of longing, and of memories. We hope that you will keep hiraeth in your hearts for Cardiff University, where you developed that sense of cynefin, meaning a place of belonging. As part of the Cardiff University alumni community, come back here often and tell us how you're doing, the good and the bad. On Friday night, more than 1,000 alumni will be back here in Cardiff at Graduation Gardens for our first ever big reunion weekend. I want our alumni community to be a social and professional network which is with you forever, that doesn't end when you leave this room today. So I'm inviting you, the great, the brilliant Cardiff class of 2026, to come back here next July to mark the first anniversary of your graduation. Come back in 2031 for your 5th anniversary, so on and so forth. Come back in 2076 for your 50th anniversary. I won't be here, but have a great party. So please, volunteer, put yourselves forward as a class of 2026 ambassador. Help organise next year's reunion and the one in 2076. Before we close the ceremony, there's one last Cardiff University tradition we need to uphold. While today is about celebrating you graduates, you didn't do it by yourselves. You've been supported by your family, your friends, your loved ones, and your lecturers. So please, new graduates, on your feet, please stand, face your friends and your family. Are you ready? Everyone made a lot of noise for you. It is now your turn to make even more noise. Say thank you to your loved ones. Let's hear it. I think you can do better. That's better. Thank you. You may sit down. Llongyfarchiadau i chri, Raddodigion Gaerdydd. Congratulations again to you, Cardiff's newest graduates. To close our celebrations, we have a film welcoming you to our alumni community. At the end of the film, please stand. So for one last time, to the Bendigedig, which is Welsh for fantastic class of 2026. Llongyfarchiadau!
Take a look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? Today we take stock of everything we've achieved and say thank you to those who always believed. So scroll through memories, cymryd selfies gyda'r besties, and stand up straight for the photographer. Say cheese. Today we remember how we got this far. The late nights and bright lights, and moments we didn't do as well as we might. Pob dyddiad cau, dyfal barhau, o weithio'n galed i'r dathliadau. Today we're rewarded for all the hard work that started way back with the first steps we took. Dropped at Talabont, yng Nghennydd, Aberdare and Aberconwy, I ganol y freshers, heb wybod lle I fynd, heb nabod bob un, nes canfod ffrindiau oes yn neidiau hoff cytun. First dates.
Soulmates.
I'm gonna start crying at this rate. Today we're part of something that's hard to describe, the new class of an old tribe. A tradition that'll be there our whole lives, a network that continues to help us thrive. Years from now, we'll see someone with a badge on their tie or hear people on a bus shouting,
Cheese drive.
And we'll remember where we came from, where we came into our own, where we made our mark. Canfod Cartref, where we found a home. Today we make noise like it's the varsity game and count ourselves lucky we found people with the same interests, hobbies, byd o hiwmor nes bod ni'n ffoli. People who tried to shelter us with broken brollies. People who helped us find our limits and push them out the way. People who helped us get to this point.
On this day.
Today is a day we mark everything we've shared. A day we tell people just how much we cared, that they were always there, even when they couldn't be. Roedden ni'n gwybod y deiau eto hael lyfryn for all the long hours we've had to put in. We still had those nights that went right through till dawn, and days we dug deeper than ever before. So here's to those late night revisers and early risers, to sunny days that passed by in Butte Park, to that special someone who gave us that special spark and helped us to grow, to transform, to dream. Today's for that someone we're proud to have at 18. What happens tomorrow is whatever you choose. Go make news or break news, but absolutely refuse to be told that can't be done, because we've only just begun to make records and break records and make history and break history and say,
Dyma fy myd I. This is the world I want to see.
10,
20,
30,
40.
Years from now, you'll look back on today and realise you've been by your side the whole way. But right now, right here, let's savour the moment and say, Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. Let's get the celebrations underway. Take a moment, look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? We're Cardiff University. Croeso, welcome to your alumni community.
you.